I'm Sarah Reese, and I serve as the Polk County Public Health Director. It's my privilege to welcome you to Crookston. Whether you're online or on campus, I'm thrilled that you've chosen the University of Minnesota Crookston, and I would like to extend an invite to get to know Polk County Public Health. We are very proud of the services that we provide, and you can find out more about us and the community and the county at Polk County Public Health social media accounts on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I'd like to now share with you resources by my fellow Polk County Public Health colleagues. Welcome to this new and strange time of COVID. We welcome you to Crookston and wish you all of the best in your educational endeavors.
Hey everybody, this is Paul Biermeyer, Chief of Police here in Crookston. I want to take a moment to welcome you to Crookston. You made a great choice. Welcome to the Red River Valley if you're not from around here. Small campus, big degree. I think you're going to love UMC. If you're from out of state, welcome to Minnesota. Your winter will be interesting and we're happy to have you here. A few things that I just want to go over to help you become accustomed to Crookston a little bit. For one, if you haven't already figured it out, it's driving around Crookston. There's a lot of one-ways. We've got a five-way stop intersection in one part in town, so it's a little bit unique. But be careful when you're driving. Be sure you're looking at the signs, which direction you're supposed to be going. Especially downtown. Our main downtown has 3 lanes of traffic on one side going south. Go to the other side of the block and we're going 3 lanes of traffic to the north. So be aware of that. As long as we're talking about driving, let's talk about inattentive driving a little bit. In Minnesota, of course, you cannot be using your phone at all for any kind of texting. You can talk on your cell phone if it's hands-free. Of course, what I'm going to tell you, what we should be doing and what a lot of us are starting to do, if we've got to talk or communicate with somebody on our phone, just pull over. Plenty of spots to pull over downtown. Do that. Be safe. Keep your head up. Pay attention to your driving. Also, we've got, if you're not driving but you want to go for a walk or a bike ride, especially from UMC coming into Crookston, we've got a nice bike path, nice walking area, takes you straight to Walmart, connects you with a frontage road, it can bring you downtown. So do that, get out and about, be active, get some exercise. Let's just take a second to talk about some campus security. Again, a small campus, but we do get an occasional call for service on maybe a theft or somebody's done something to somebody, not treated them, properly or appropriately. As far as thefts go, keep your dorm room locked, and this goes for whether you're living on campus or at home or off campus. Keep your doors locked. Keep your valuables and your items, even in your dorm room. If you share your dorm room, keep it secured. Don't ever just run out of the room for a little bit. There's lots of cameras on campus, and sometimes we can utilize those to maybe find out who went in and out of a room. But save yourself the hassle and potentially the cost of replacing something. Also, though, out in the parking lot, make sure you lock the doors to your car. If you've got valuables out there and you don't want to bring them in, put them in the trunk. Lock them up in the trunk. Of course, don't be, if you ever need us though, if you've got an emergency, obviously call 911. Don't worry about it. If you're not sure if it should be 911 or not, call 911. If you know it's not that type of an emergency, our local phone number is 281-3111. That's 3111. Call us if you have any questions, or call us if you have any concerns, or you've seen something you want to report. The majority of us in the police department, we're about 16 people counting me on the police department. We've got 2 support staff. So the majority of us live in Crookston. We love this community. We're out and about. We do what we can in the community. We volunteer with organizations. I highly recommend you getting out and doing some of that too. Volunteering, there's always something to do. But we want to know what's going on. We want all of our people in town to be safe. We want you to be comfortable. We want you to be safe. If you think you should call us about anything, please do. Don't worry about whether or not you think it's silly. We'll determine that. A lot of times we just need to know what's going on. I think if you're new to Minnesota, got to wear a mask until the governor says no more. At least that's for indoor things, or if you're outside, social distancing isn't a possibility. Just want to touch on house parties and sober drivers, especially for the freshmen that are coming in. It's a totally new experience for you, probably being away from home, making your own decisions, having the freedom, spreading your wings a little bit. If you are out drinking at a house party, just do yourself and everybody else in our community a favor. Have a sober driver. It's part of our TZD, our Towards Zero Death initiative up here in Minnesota. We want everybody to enjoy life and enjoy your first year or your second, third, and fourth year here at UMC. Be safe. We want you to come back every morning to class, and we want you to come back every year. So again, welcome. I'm excited to see all of you here on campus and here in Crookston. Again, my name's Paul. If you want to call, talk, chat about anything, 218-281-3111. Again, thanks for being here. You did a good job picking this school in this community.
Hi, I'm Brenna with Polk County Public Health. Here at Public Health, we recognize the importance and place a significant amount of focus around positive mental well-being and suicide prevention. Through this, we've started our Be Well campaign, which aims to support health through happiness and meaningful relationships while using proven resiliency tools. These tools can be anything from random acts of kindness, gratitude, 3 good things, and taking it outside. When those are incorporated into your daily life, you will create a reserve within you that you can pull upon when you are in a hard time. We encourage anyone to join us and invite you to participate in any of our campaigns that we do virtually through Facebook. So if you haven't followed Public Health yet, please follow us and check out our campaigns that we've got coming up. We want to work to increase resiliency and coping strategies while reducing the stigma of positive mental well-being through these campaigns in our community. In collaboration with our Statewide Health Improvement Partnership, or SHIP, grant, we have started our Take It Outside campaign. Take It Outside, we have a lot of opportunities that can be utilized here in Crookston, such as golfing at the golf course, rollerblading, biking, walking on trails. We are really lucky to have a variety of biking and walking trails here in Crookston. Those trails can be pulled up on crookston.mn.us under the Parks and Recreations tab. Other things include baseball fields, basketball courts, tennis courts, all kinds of different things that promote a positive and community engaging environment through laughter and fun. In addition to Take It Outside, alternative evidence-based tools such as the gratitude or random acts of kindness are quick and easy habits that you incorporate into your daily routine. One thing I like to do to express my gratitude is 3 good things before I go to bed. So 3 good things could be anything that you like. It could be passing a test, cleaning your room, getting up early and having coffee with a friend, or even having a day off of work and just kind of having a day to yourself. Anything that's important to you or that you love. By doing that, writing 3 good things down, especially before bed, has been proven to result in better sleep and relationships with other individuals. These positive benefits can last up to 6 months and have been shown to be as effective as antidepressants. I also want to remind you that we are in a trying time during this unprecedented public health crisis. Life is stressful. We get it. We know that. We're here for you guys. If you have concerns about becoming ill, financial constraints with school or work, even a change to your daily routine as you guys start this new adventure, know that we are here to support you and that you are not alone. If you're feeling hopeless, angry, or confused, please call the Northwest 8 Adult and Child Crisis Line. Their number is 800-282-5005, or you can text MN to 741-741. Thanks, and we're glad you guys are here in Crookston, and I hope you guys have a wonderful year.
Hi, I'm Amy Vandenide. I'm a public health nurse at Polk County Public Health. I'm the sexual health coordinator for Polk County. We offer full clinic services at our Crookston Clinic. We are located in the building that's also connected to the jail. Our services include pregnancy testing, STI, STD testing, annual exams with PAPs, all forms of birth control, emergency contraception, and always have free condoms. We see appointments at our office in Crookston, or we can also schedule appointments at UMC. You can schedule those with Nurse Stacy. We do have the ability to do your contraception that same day. So if you're wanting even a long-acting reversible birth control, that will be placed the same day as your visit. Riverview Clinic in town also has providers that come to campus to see you, so that's also an option for you. They're also there every week. All our services are completely confidential and are either free or low cost to you. We do have programs to pay for your services, so we don't bill your parents' insurance. We have a new program that started about 18 months ago on campus, and it's called our GET program. And what that is that's our Get Yourself Tested program. And I have a little kit here. What it is it's a kit that they're placed in the bathrooms at the Evergreen Hall, and it has instructions on here on how to collect an STI sample all by yourself, and then you just turn that back into either Nurse Stacy, or you can drop it off at our office as well. We live in Greater Minnesota, and we have very high STI rates, so we have the same rates as they have in the metro area, which is about 30%. Chlamydia and gonorrhea rates in the college population are even higher, and so in the ages of 15 to 19, it's roughly about 6.5% of our total population in the state of Minnesota, but yet that also same group is about 24.4% of all chlamydia cases in the state. So you can see how that age range is a little bit affected at a higher rate than the general population. Routine testing you should do for STIs every 6 to 12 months if you're sexually active, or when you have a new partner. In chlamydia in particular, 8 out of 10 people that are infected do not show symptoms, so that's why it's so important to do routine screening. If you have any questions, you can call. I have a cell phone you can text or call, and that number is 218-280-1117. And again, my name is Amy. Thank you.